Hi everyone, welcome to today's session where we're talking about navigating the US stock market in 2025. Whether you're a beginner just starting out or an experienced trader looking for fresh insights, I've got you covered. The US stock market can be intimidating, right? All those numbers, all those graphs. It can feel like you need a PhD in finance just to understand it. But trust me, it doesn't have to be that complicated. In this video, I'm going to break down everything you need to know about the US stock market in 2025. From the big trends shaping the market to practical tips for beginners and seasoned investors alike. We'll also cover common pitfalls to avoid and the best resources to help you stay ahead of the curve. Let's dive right in. First things first, let's get a lay of the land. Understanding the stock market is like understanding a city. You wouldn't just start driving around a new city without a map, would you? You'd want to know the major landmarks, the traffic patterns, the best routes. The same goes for the stock market. Before you invest, understand the market forces, trends, and risks. So what's shaping the US stock market in 2025? Three big things. First, the rise of AI and tech innovation. This trend is accelerating. Companies leading in AI and tech will benefit. Think Tesla, Google, Amazon. Second, economic recovery post-pandemic. The past years were tough on the global economy. As the world recovers, some sectors will bounce back stronger. Watch travel, hospitality, and entertainment. Finally, geopolitical influences. Global events can impact the US stock market. Trade wars, political instability, climate change. Stay informed about these trends. Do your own research. Read financial news, follow experts, and learn investing language. Knowledge is power, especially with your money. Now let's talk to all the beginners out there. If you're new to the stock market, it can feel like a daunting world. But trust me, it doesn't have to be. Getting started is easier than you think. My first tip for beginners: start small, think big. You don't need a ton of money to start investing. In fact, you can begin with as little as $100. The key is to just get started. As you learn and gain more confidence, you can gradually increase your investment amount. And that leads me to my second tip: learn before you leap. Don't just jump into the market blindly. Take the time to educate yourself about the basics of investing. There are tons of resources available online, from free articles and videos to online courses and webinars. A little bit of knowledge can go a long way in protecting your money and making smart investment decisions. Finally, one of the best things you can do as a beginner is to automate your investing. This means setting up a system where a certain amount of money is automatically invested in your chosen stocks or funds each month. Automating your investments takes the emotion out of investing and helps you stay disciplined over the long term. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. The key is to start small, learn as you go, and stay consistent. Over time, your investments will grow, and you'll be well on your way to building a solid financial future. All right, seasoned investors, this one's for you. You've got the basics down, you've dipped your toes in the water. Now it's time to level up your game. First and foremost, focus on mega trends. I talked about this earlier, but it's worth repeating. The companies that are going to see the biggest gains in the coming years are those that are riding the wave of major global trends. Artificial intelligence, renewable energy, biotechnology, these are the sectors to watch. Next, it's time to master options and hedging. Now, options trading isn't for everyone, but if you're an experienced investor looking for ways to potentially amplify your returns, and yes, your risks, options can be a valuable tool. Hedging, on the other hand, is all about protecting your downside. It's like buying insurance for your portfolio. And finally, stay agile with data. The stock market is constantly changing, so you need to be able to adapt quickly to new information. That means staying up to date on the latest market news, economic data, and company earnings reports. Use financial websites, stock screeners, and even social media to your advantage. Remember, the key to success in the stock market is to never stop learning. Never stop adapting, and never be afraid to adjust your strategy as needed. wealth over the long term. Alright, now that you know what to avoid, let's talk about some of the best tools and resources to help you navigate the US stock market in 2025. First up, websites. There are a ton of great financial websites out there, but some of my favorites include CNBC, Yahoo Finance, and Morningstar. These sites provide up-to-the-minute market news, stock quotes, and analysis. Next, books. If you're serious about investing, you need to read. Some of my all-time favorite investing books include The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham, The Essays of Warren Buffett by Warren Buffett, and Atomic Habits by James Clear, because building good financial habits is key. And finally, podcasts and newsletters. There are some fantastic investing podcasts and newsletters out there that can provide you with valuable insights and analysis. Some of my go-tos include Bloomberg, Seeking Alpha, and the Investors Podcast. Remember, knowledge is power, and the more informed you are, the better equipped you'll be to make smart investment decisions. So there you have it. Everything you need to know about navigating the US stock market in 2025. In 2025, the US stock market offers immense opportunities, but only if you navigate it wisely. Start small, stay informed, and always invest for the long term. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with others. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips on finance and investing. Thanks for watching. Let's make 2025 a year of growth.